What up, people? You know how you have something that you're working on and you kind of put it in temporary and it gets on your nerves like every day? So this is what was going on with me. Let me show you. Okay, so when I first put the door on, I put the deadbolt on so I could lock it. But I didn't put the handle on to, the door handle. So today I put it on because it was driving me crazy, because every time I had to shut the door, I had to put the deadbolt on to hold the door shut because the wind would blow it open. So now I got the handle on. So now we got door closure. All right, people. All right, I'm starting the first strips. You can see I'm running on the bottom. All right, all the way up to the window. And this is where the window frame is going to come. And I wanted to show you guys a little helping hand. These clamps. You can get them at Harbor Freight, Lowe's, Home Depot. But you put your mark on, and then that's your four hands. Now you can put your screws in. Easy work. Anytime you get a chance, these clamps are pretty cheap too. So every time I go, I try to buy a couple here and there. Never hurt to have too many. All right, peace. Okay, people, it is Saturday, and I am gonna finish off these first strips. As you can see, I'm getting them all the way down. Let me show you. So I'm putting them all the way down the bus. So I'm gonna have this side done in a few minutes, and then I'm gonna work all the way around down the other side. And once I get that done, then I'm gonna run my electric, and we'll be ready to go for the spray foam. All right, I'm gonna put you on time lapse so you can see how I'm doing it. If you notice I'm doing something wrong, or you know a better way, please let me know in the chat or the description, because any advice is welcome, believe me. All right, peace.